That's amazing. That is amazing. So the car is currently downloading a software update while I'm driving here. I've connected the car to my mobile phone via hotspot, and it's yes, it's on Wi-Fi. I'm expecting this to be the version 10 of the software. So software update will be indicated by a green arrow at the top left of your screen. If the symbol turns orange, it's not downloading, but green means it's downloading at the moment. Download progress at the bottom, and I guess while I'm at work I can just install the update. So the software has just downloaded before I reached work, and I can schedule now the installation of the software. Apparently you can press the button while you are driving and have a look at the schedule here. So the installation will take about 25 minutes, and you can set a time for this installation, or you can click the install now button, which apparently doesn't work while you're driving, of course. I will have a look on the mobile phone app if the software update can be triggered from the mobile phone. Should be. The car gets just a new update while you're driving. So let's see, let's go into the Tesla app, and yep, it says software update here. So I will trigger the update from work. Cool. Remotely. Thank you very much. See you then. Bye-bye. Version 10 has now installed. There are a couple of new features here in the control settings as well of the app, which I will test, of course. We, for example, have now the vent feature in here, which lowers the windows by about 5 centimeters. If it actually lowers the windows. Oh, it does. That's what the close. Amazing. You press the vent, and all 4 windows are opening about 5 centimeters. That is so cool. Amazing. So here's version 10 on the standard range plus. Yeah, we went through all these features before, so I don't want to detail anything in here. Yes, we now have a web browser as well in here. Let's see if this works over the LTE connection. It does. So they give you a full browser in the car now. Well, it's not the full screen, it's just in the browser. But still we have the full HD, and it uses the LTE connection apparently to... What? That is amazing. I thought this is a premium feature only, but this is now coming for standard range plus models as well. Okay, copyright. Okay, so this is new as well. Entertainment. You've got all the games here, and you've got also the theater over here, which includes Netflix and YouTube and the tutorials. I thought this is only a premium feature, because this gives you access to YouTube in full screen. And it works over the LTE connection. This should not work. I think they will turn this off with the next update again, because everyone will use heaps of data now accessing Netflix and YouTube. It's amazing. Yes, I can log in as unplugged EV in my Tesla standard range plus model. Okay, I better close the window again, huh? And lock the car. Hey guys, look at this. The Beetle next to the Tesla. That's an amazing picture. I should take a photo, huh? I wonder how many generations of cars are between the Beetle and the Tesla. Great parking skills. So there's one last thing we need to do here. Got something for you. Oh, just want to say a big thank you for letting me charge all the time here.
Well,
For accessing your power. Even I paid for it, but
I'll look after that.
I know. I bought a new car, so I don't need to charge anymore here. I've got a full electric one with a huge battery in it, so I don't need this trickle charge.
So you got another? Well, that will give me a bit of go.
Yeah.
I'll be busy for a bit of.
Always great. Thank you very much for all the charges.
Good on you, Andy.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, so 2 bottles of wine, and I've paid for the invoice, of course. Now we are good. So version 10 also picks up nicely the dotted line on the road now, which you can't see at the moment because it just fades. Well, how good is that, guys? Charging here at the university again and watching YouTube. That is amazing. Love it. The battery is full before my actual episode ends. That's not good. It charges too fast. So I'm now at about 75% state of charge here and still charging with 43 kilowatts. Very, very nice. Still watching my video about the e-cannonball in Germany. Race with electric vehicles across the country. And I'm at 80% now and still charging 43 kilowatts. Hasn't throttled down yet. 300 kilometers in the battery already. I'm charging to 90% today, which I've never done before. So we are now at 82% and it starts throttling down as usually at 80%. This is the threshold when batteries usually start to throttle down while charging. It goes into the constant voltage phase of charging now. And yeah, it goes down to 35, 36 now. But it says another 10 minutes to charge to 90%. And this will pretty much match with my video I'm watching here on YouTube. Amazing. The car will stop automatically charging at 90%. That's the white bar I've set. 23 kilowatts at the moment, still 166 kilometers per hour charging speed. So it will take another 5 minutes. It looks like the car goes automatically, or the display goes automatically into night mode. So it is a lot darker. Yes, night mode is turned on. That is insane. Yeah, so it looks like with the version 10 update, even the standard range plus and the standard range cars have now LTE connection for limited time. Nobody knows exactly when this will turn off again, but they included some traffic for everyone, for all the cars now. And someone said clicking on the T actually tells you how much data you have used, but there is nothing how much data we have. It may just stop when we have used all the data allowance they gave us, or it may stop after a week or a couple of days. We don't know. But still, this is pretty amazing that we can use the theater now with YouTube and Netflix on it. So another surprise from Tesla for the owners. Amazing. So we are now very close to 90% and we are still charging with 165 kilometers per hour. This is still more than 10 times faster than the PHEV would charge at home. So I'm still blown away. I need to cover my... You know what? I have... You know this ugly shield I had here to cover my company logo? Well, I tell you what, I have forgotten it in the PHEV. So the new owner has now the unplugged EV company shield in the sunrise. I have forgotten it. But that's the only thing I forgot. I probably should make another PHEV video about that. Well, yeah, I'm still blown away. When I charge the car here and it's so fast still, I don't mind sitting here half an hour and watching an episode in YouTube or Netflix or listening to music or podcasts. I don't really mind. This is such a great system now that you can do something useful in your time, you know, or make a video about charging and the version 10 and also charge the car at the same time, and it's not wasted at all. It is amazing. Anytime the charge should stop. There we go. It just made a click and it has stopped charging now, and I unplug and drive home. Amazing how this all works. Actually, when the charging finishes, you can't unplug, you have to unlock the charge port first. There, another click, and now you can unplug. As soon as the charge port is locked, you can't release the plug. There we go. And this was 24 kilowatt hours of free and green energy. Okay, let's see if I put the car in drive now, if Netflix and YouTube disappears or has been disabled. Yeah, and then it's disabled. Okay, this all works. Cool, it has even the light in here. That is insane. Look at this. Just want to show you something here. The last 10 kilometers, 100 watt hours per kilometer. That is insanely low. This is 99 now. Oh my god. Yeah, if I drive like this, I can do 480 kilometers in the car. I mean, not like this, but not like the last 10 kilometers. It is insane. You can be so efficient with this car. Love it. I'm still blown away from this car and the technology. I mean, you know about Tesla, you know about the updates that come through, you know about the screen and technology and everything, but experience it every single day is mind-blowing. I've done another 2 test drives today with work colleagues and they were all blown away. They said it doesn't make sense to buy any other vehicle at all, not just electric vehicle, not any other vehicle at all anymore. It needs to be a Tesla the next time. With this technology, with the autopilot working, the navigation and the updates, the charging network, it is amazing. It is just amazing. Navigate to Adelaide. There you go. You've got your route to Adelaide. No problem at all. No trouble at all to get with a standard range plus vehicle easily to Adelaide. And this is a 2,500 kilometer trip, 26 hours. No problem at all. Does this mean I've got an empty battery when I'm reaching there? Wow! I just say wow. That is amazing. I mean, that you can do that. This is half the continent covered with superchargers already. No other car manufacturer has that in place. Not the updates, not the technology, not the performance, nothing like this. I'm just blown away. This is Andy from Unplugged TV in the dark. As always, guys, thanks for all your support. Thanks for watching. This is Andy from Unplugged TV Australia, signing off. You stay charged, and we will see us again in the next video coming very soon. Thanks, guys. See you then. Bye-bye. One last thing I need to show you. If you are in YouTube or in Netflix and you close the application by clicking on the X here in the top right, actually the dome light turns on in the car like in a cinema. So as soon as you start one of your applications, the light dims down like in a... Oh, what are they thinking, really? One of the last videos ever for the Outlander PHEV. Today I want to show you in a quick 30-minute video how to vacuum your Outlander PHEV correctly. Okay, let's go. This guy